9 minutes. Huh. Is that the bridge saying no way, dude?
Let's see this here.
That might be for the bridge. You might be asking
He's
the...
so tall. It's a
guess.
big old boat.
Yeah. Watch out for that other boat coming your way. Yeah, he hugs the shore pretty good. I think it's so weird to sit in your boat.
I don't.
I mean, it's nice, but it's like
private waterfront.
it's like if you're gonna sit in your boat, go take it for a ride. That's what you got it for. Go out there. Oh boy, these guys put up more of a wake than I expect.
Should have waved sorry.
It's all malicious.
They are kind of fun.
Here's a kayaker in the middle of the... What's it? What?
I said it's nice to see a lone one.
A lone one?
Part of our plan. He's right in the middle.
He is in the middle, that's what I was saying.
See what's going on with this bridge. Is he not fit? Maybe it is close.
Is it going up? Yeah, I think he's waiting.
He does. He is that tall.
He's a tall one. Alright, I'm getting closer to the shore. Hitting the waves again, huh? Well, I get it. All yachts are nice.